In 1994, Jeff Bezos started Amazon as an online bookstore from his garage in Seattle, Washington. He initially named the company Cadabra, but later changed it to Amazon after the world's largest river, because he wanted it to be an online store with a vast selection of products. Bezos aimed to build a customer-centric company that focused on convenience, selection, and price. Today, Amazon has grown to become one of the world's largest online retailers, offering a wide range of products and services, including books, electronics, clothing, groceries, and more. Are you tired of working for money instead of having your money work for you? Look no further than the brilliant mind of Jeff Bezos, the mastermind behind Amazon. In this video, I will delve into some vital lessons we can learn from Bezos about making money work for you. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on more valuable topics on your financial freedom. Now let's continue with our lessons from Jeff Bezos on how to make money work for you and not work for money. With his innovative thinking and relentless pursuit of growth, Bezos has built Amazon into one of the most valuable companies in the world. He understood early on that the key to financial success lies in leveraging your assets and creating multiple streams of income. By diversifying his investments and constantly reinvesting profits, Bezos has allowed money to do the heavy lifting. But it's not just about making money, it's about making smart investments. Bezos advises to focus on long-term goals and not get caught up in short-term gains. By investing in areas he saw potential in, such as cloud computing, Bezos has been able to multiply his wealth exponentially. So if you're ready to take control of your financial future, come along as we explore the vital lessons from Jeff Bezos on how to make money work for you and not work for money. The concept of making money work for you. When we talk about making money work for us, we are referring to the idea of creating a system where our money generates income without us having to actively work for it. This concept goes beyond just saving money or relying on a single source of income. It's about strategically investing and leveraging our assets to create multiple streams of income. Imagine watching a bird building its nest with great enthusiasm and excitement. It's truly a remarkable sight to see how these little creatures use their resources to create a cozy and secure home for their family. In the same way, your money can work for you with great enthusiasm and energy. By investing wisely, you can witness your money grow and work for you, creating an exciting and secure financial future. So let's get started and see your money soar like a bird in the sky. Jeff Bezos understood this concept early on and built Amazon based on the idea of scalability and automation. He created a platform that not only allowed customers to buy products, but also enabled other sellers to sell their products through Amazon. This created a win-win situation where Amazon could generate income from various sources without Bezos having to actively manage each transaction. By adopting this mindset, you can start thinking of ways to generate passive income. This could be through investments in stocks, real estate, or even creating digital products that generate income while you sleep. The key is to identify opportunities that align with your skills and interests, and then invest time and resources into building those income streams. Lessons from Jeff Bezos on investing in yourself. One of the most important lessons we can learn from Bezos is the value of investing in ourselves. Bezos has always been a proponent of lifelong learning and continuous improvement. He believes that in order to stay ahead in a rapidly changing world, we need to constantly adapt and acquire new skills. Investing in yourself is like planting a seed of greatness. When you invest in yourself, you are giving yourself the opportunity to grow and develop in ways you never thought possible. It's like giving yourself a gift that keeps on giving, as the benefits of investing in yourself will continue to grow and pay dividends for years to come. Whether it's learning a new skill, taking a course, or pursuing a passion, investing in yourself is a surefire way to unlock your full potential and live your best life. So make the investment today and watch yourself blossom into the amazing person you were always meant to be. Bezos himself has invested heavily in his own education and development. He has taken risks, learned from failures, and used those experiences to grow both personally and professionally. This mindset of continuous learning and self-improvement has been a key factor in his success. So how can we apply this lesson to our own lives? Start by identifying areas where you can improve and acquire new skills. This could be through online courses, attending seminars or workshops, or even finding a mentor who can guide you. The more you invest in yourself, the more valuable you become, and the more opportunities will come your way. Next on how to make money work for you and not work for money. vital lessons from Jeff Bezos is understanding the power of passive income. Passive income is the holy grail of financial independence. It's the income that comes in regularly without requiring active effort on your part. This could be from rental properties, dividends from stocks, or even royalties from a book you've written. Jeff Bezos understands the power of passive income and has built his wealth by creating systems that generate income without his active involvement. Amazon, for example, generates income 24/7, even when Bezos is sleeping or on vacation. So how can we tap into the power of passive income? Start by diversifying your income streams. Look for opportunities to invest in assets that generate consistent cash flow. This could be through real estate investments, dividend-paying stocks, or even creating digital products that can be sold repeatedly. Next on how to make money work for you and not work for money. Vital lessons from Jeff Bezos is diversifying your income streams. Diversification is like cooking a delicious meal with a variety of ingredients. Just like how you wouldn't want to eat a meal with only one flavor, you don't want to put all your investment eggs in one basket. By diversifying your investment portfolio, you are spreading your risk across a variety of assets, just like how a chef uses a variety of ingredients to create a flavorful dish. Just as a chef balances the flavors in a meal to create a harmonious taste, diversification can help balance the potential risks and rewards in your investments, creating a more stable and successful financial future. So just like in cooking, diversification is a key ingredient for a successful investment strategy. Diversification is a key strategy in making money work for you. By spreading your investments across different asset classes and industries, you reduce the risk of losing everything if one investment fails. Jeff Bezos is a prime example of the power of diversification. While Amazon is his most well-known venture, he has also invested in other companies and industries. This diversification has not only helped protect his wealth, but has also allowed him to benefit from multiple sources of income. When it comes to diversifying your income streams, start by assessing your current sources of income. Are they all dependent on the same industry or market? If so, consider exploring other industries or asset classes that have the potential for growth. By diversifying, you not only reduce risk, but also increase the potential for higher returns. Next on how to make money work for you and not work for money. Vital lessons from Jeff Bezos is the importance of long-term thinking in wealth accumulation. In a world of instant gratification and get-rich-quick schemes, Jeff Bezos has always prioritized long-term thinking. Jeff Bezos has often said that Amazon operates with a long-term perspective, rather than focusing on short-term gains. This long-term thinking has allowed Bezos to make strategic investments and decisions that have paid off in the long run. For example, he saw the potential in cloud computing early on and invested in building Amazon Web Services, AWS, which has become one of the most profitable divisions of Amazon. So how can we apply this lesson to our own financial journey? Start by setting long-term financial goals. This could be saving for retirement, buying a house, or starting your own business. Once you have your goals in place, create a plan to achieve them. This might involve investing in assets that have the potential for long-term growth, or even starting a side business that can generate passive income in the future. Next on how to make money work for you and not work for money. Vital lessons from Jeff Bezos is investing in assets that generate cash flow. Another vital lesson we can learn from Jeff Bezos is the importance of investing in assets that generate cash flow. Bezos has always focused on building businesses that generate consistent income rather than relying on speculative investments. For example, Amazon's e-commerce platform is a cash-generating machine. Every time a customer makes a purchase, Amazon earns a commission. This creates a steady stream of income that can be reinvested or used to fuel further growth. When it comes to investing in assets that generate cash flow, look for opportunities that align with your skills and interests. This could be starting a rental property business, investing in dividend-paying stocks, or even creating an online course that generates passive income. The key is to find assets that have the potential to generate consistent cash flow over the long term. By the way, if you are enjoying this video, say yes in the comment section. Moving on to the next lesson from Jeff Bezos, building a business that scales and creates wealth. One of the most remarkable aspects of Jeff Bezos' success is his ability to build a business that scales and creates wealth. Amazon started as an online bookstore, but has since grown into a global e-commerce giant that sells almost everything under the sun. Bezos understood early on that in order to create significant wealth, he needed to build a business that could scale exponentially. By leveraging technology and automation, Bezos has been able to grow Amazon into one of the most valuable companies in the world. So how can we apply this lesson to our own entrepreneurial endeavors? Start by thinking big. Look for opportunities to build a business that can scale and generate significant wealth. This might involve leveraging technology, outsourcing tasks, or even partnering with others who share your vision. The key is to focus on creating systems and processes that can be replicated and scaled as your business grows. Next, on how to make money work for you and not work for money. Vital lessons from Jeff Bezos is balancing risk and reward in financial decision-making. Finally, Jeff Bezos has always been a master at balancing risk and reward in his financial decision-making. While he is known for taking bold risks, he also carefully assesses the potential rewards and weighs them against the risks involved. This balanced approach has allowed Bezos to make calculated bets that have paid off in a big way. For example, he took a risk by launching Amazon Web Services, but he saw the potential rewards in cloud computing and made the calculated decision to invest. When it comes to your own financial decision-making, it's important to find a balance between taking risks and protecting your assets. Assess the potential rewards and risks involved in each opportunity, and make informed decisions. Remember, not every investment or business opportunity will be a success, but by carefully considering the risks and rewards, you can increase your chances of success. Applying Jeff Bezos' lessons to your own financial journey. Quick catch: Jeff Bezos has taught us valuable lessons about making money work for us and not work for money. By leveraging our assets, diversifying our income streams, and adopting a long-term mindset, we can create a system where our money generates income without our active involvement. Investing in ourselves, understanding the power of passive income, and building businesses that scale and create wealth are all strategies that can help us achieve financial independence. And by balancing risk and reward in our financial decision-making, we can increase our chances of success. So take inspiration from Jeff Bezos and start applying these lessons to your own financial journey. Take control of your financial future and make money work for you, not the other way around. Always keep in mind that it's important to consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. This video should not be considered a replacement for conducting your own due diligence. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up for YouTube to keep recommending it. See you in our next video.